Hey everybody, Kyle here from Black Mountain All-Terrain. We're really excited to be launching our new line of seat covers for the Kubota RTV line of vehicles. Today we'll be installing our seat covers on an RTV-X1140. Pivot your seat base and the headache rack forward, giving you access to the back of the backrest cushions. Using a 12mm ratchet or an impact, remove the 4 bolts from the back of each of the 2 cushions. Slide the cover over the cushion, lining up the holes in the cover with the holes of the cushion. A couple of tips here. If you really want your seat covers to look nice, put a little effort into lining them up nicely on the cushion. Remember that you're working with fabric and foam here. Don't be afraid to tug on that fabric or push on the foam if you need to. Reinstall the 2 backrests using the 4 bolts you pulled from each of them earlier. And tighten your bolts so you don't cross thread and damage the cushions. Repeat this process for the other side, then return the headache rack to its full upright and lock position. Pull the cotter pins from the brackets on both sides of the seat, then rotate it forward and slide the seat away from you. Now we're going to use our 12mm impact to remove the 6 brackets from the underside of the seat. But it's a little tricky because the brackets need to be positioned in just the right way, so you might want to take a quick snap of it with your phone, or you can place them on the bed of the vehicle in the proper location. Slide the seat cover on over the cushion, lining up the holes of the cover with the holes of the seat. Now this one was a little bit harder only because it was just so big. I had to go back and forth from one side to the other a couple of times. Put a little effort in here. You really want to line that seam up with the edge of the cushion. Reattach your 6 brackets, being mindful to put them back each in the proper location and in the proper orientation. Reinstall the seat base by lining up the pins of the seat bracket with the bracket on the vehicle. Now because of its size, I had to go to both sides. Finally, insert the 2 cotter pins and we're done. To close this out, I just want to say thanks for watching the video, and I want to let you know that everything that goes into our seat covers is 100% made in the USA. All the parts and components that go into our seat covers are made here in the US, and they're stitched together by American citizens here in Texas. Additionally, I want to thank our friends at Lansdowne Moody. They've got 8 locations around the Houston area, so for any parts, service, or new equipment needs, feel free to go to lmtractor.com, and thanks for watching.